Welcome to BMF Speed Shop. It's my YouTube channel. So, I don't know. I seen somewhere, I heard something about people using vinegar to treat rust. Since I got rust like everywhere where this vinyl top was in my car, I busted out the distilled vinegar out from underneath the sink, and I scrubbed it all down with this green, red, whatever SOS pad, and I have no idea if this is gonna work. I mean, I'm going to work now for 8 hours, so I put it on there pure. The video I watched, they mixed it like 4-1, but my shit's already jacked, so I said screw it. We're just gonna put it on there. I still got a little paint on this side. I want to see if it helps and if it gets underneath the paint or not. Or this side, I pretty much got all the paint stripped off. So yeah, pure vinegar, rusty top. Let's see how it works, guys. So when I get home from work, I'll make another video and see what it looks like. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and tell your home dogs about my awesome YouTube channel. Bloody Mary vinegar bath.